Hi, myself Vishal Rathee. I belongs to Rohtak city of Haryana. I secured an All India rank of 310 in CGL 2020 exam and got my dream post preventive officers, which I always fascinating about this job. I felt elated as I found my name on list three, and tell my family members that I got preventive officers. I also thanks to Oliveboard faculty, which played a vital role during my preparation. As I know that during the phase of Tier 1 and Tier 2, I attempted maths mocks, which I think was very helpful at that moment. And I also attended the reasoning lectures of teachers, which also helped me to improve my score in reasoning. So I thanks to all the Oliveboard faculty. I also my advice to the young new aspirant is to just stick to hard work, never lose hope any moment in your life, and just practice. Thank you.